Hi guys, it's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you are watching right now, please don't forget to like and share this video and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. For today's vlog, we all have this all girls series from random blind boxes from PopMart and finding unicorn or Kika goods. So I'm so excited to unbox this one and share it with you. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. Let's start with the newest release from PopMart, which is the new series of Peach Riot, the Lil Peach Riot, the Sleepover series. And I got only one box from this collection. And let me show you how beautiful the box is. It has a shimmery finish if you can see closer, and there's some glitter on the paper. It looks really premium, very girly type, and it's so colorful. I like the mixed colors of gradient of pink and purple and blue, and with a touch of yellow and white. So they did a really good job with the box of New Peach Riot, and they have 12 confirmed figures from this collection or lineup, and one secret which has a probability of 1 over 144. And from this lineup, I wanna get the Frankie Pillow Fight, Puppy Breakfast, and okay, I wanna get Gigi Star as well. So let's see, guys. It's been a long time that I never opened a box from the top, so I'm gonna give you the satisfaction today. So let me unbox our first box. So one, two, three. You hear the sound? Oops, no peeking. So this one is a very small figure, and they use a typical foil of Pop Mart, very plain. They should use a branding next time for Peach Riot, right? So our first figure for today, one, two, three. Oh, very cute. I like the details of this one. I believe this is Frankie Morning Coffee. Yes. Let me show you some inclusions and the artwork. Okay. So there's a very small inclusion which is the cup of coffee. Let me put this one here. Oh, this one is so nice. Look the details of the pink blanket. Like there's a lot of details of stitches from the pink blanket, and it contrasts the dark skin or uh the dark skin and the blue hair of Frankie here. I like that she's sitting calmly with a cup of coffee. What I like about this one is the cheap eye. It's very realistic. I like the dark black eyes of Frankie here. There's some gold ear piercing and brow piercing of her. Very nice. And I just noticed that the tip of the bonnet that she's using is a flat finish material. Very cool. I like this. I should get more of this, right? What do you think about it, guys? Let me show you the art card first. Very glittery. I love the illustration. Very nice. I should get more of this, right? Comment down below if you think I should get more. Let's proceed with our next box, which is I believe this is a newest release of Pop Mart as well, but it's been like a couple of months ago. And this is the new series of Ziga, Take It Slow. And they have 12 confirmed figures as a lineup. I believe in my previous vlog, I unboxed two of it, and I got the Camping Night and the Walking in the Meadow. So this time, I really want to get the wind skis, the building sandcastle, and the playful sprites. Sprites, yes. And the secret. So let's see. Let me open this one. at the top box. Hmm. I really like the illustration of the box of Ziga. They always did a very good job when it comes to branding and artwork. Oops, it's so hard to open this one on the top. Okay. Oh, see. Oh, again, they use the nice foil of Ziga here. Very simple. I like the simplicity of the artwork. And I just feel that there's some protection inside of this foil. So let's see. One, two, three. Oh, the one that I like. Yay! This one is nice. Okay, this has a hard plastic protection. Wait, let me remove the tape. Okay, let me show you the figure. This one is very nice. It's like there's a moss covering Siga's body, and it is half of the body of Siga is covered by the moss, and it's flat finish material. And it looks like the half of Siga here is a wood or a bark of a tree, and I'm not sure if this is like a friend of Siga going on here, like it's a looks like a mushroom, and it has a translucent material that they use. Very nice. I like the intricate details of this one. Let me show you all the side. Right? Very cool. I like this. Let me show you the art card. Look how beautiful the art card is. At the back part, it's a black and white. Ziga, take it slow. And let me show you the other part. And it's so colorful. Playful sprites. Yes. Maybe those little friends of Ziga here is a mushroom, sprouting mushroom. Very cool. Look how beautiful this artwork. What can you say about this, guys? I believe you will definitely love this as well. Please comment down below. Let's go with our next boxes, which are from Chaka Light Sprite series. I got three of the boxes, and these are the first series of Chaka. And in my previous vlog, I already have the firewood, the lightning, and Aurora. Yeah, I have these three already. So I'm afraid to get a duplicate this time, but I'm hoping I won't get any dupes. So let's see, guys. I really wanna get the shadow of the trees. I wanna get the wave and the fireworks. So let's see. Let me open this one on the top part. Very satisfying sound. Oh, I don't wanna see any spoiler. Okay, no spoiler, no spoiler. Oh no, there's a spoiler. Okay, so one, two, three. Oh, this one is very small figure. Who's this? Oh, who's this figure? Let me check the art card. So this is Meteor. Okay, let me put all the inclusion so that we can appreciate it more. This is the stand. Okay. And I'm not sure. Okay, she's holding a meteor star like this. And this is the flame, blue flame. Okay. Oh, what can you say about this one? Not my favorite. I just don't like the dull color of blue. It doesn't give me some good vibes about it. But let me show you all the details of the meteor. It has a gradient or a metallic finish on the shoes or the boots, and on the top of it, it matches the meteor that she's holding. Even the cape has some stars, and it's a translucent material. Not my favorites from this collection, but still, it's Chaka. So, what can you say about this? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our fourth box and the second figure from the Chaka, the Light Sprite series. Light Sprite series. So, I wanna get the Shadow of the Trees. So, I hope I'll get this one. Oops. Ah, I saw some spoiler and it's a black. Who's this? Okay, I believe this is the black candle. One, two, three. Oh, yeah. Oh, it looks like a charcoal. Let me put all the inclusions and let me show you the art card. And the art card is quite dented. So this is Under the Moon. Oh, I see. Now I get it. So this is like the moon, the surface of the moon. It's very nice. Oops, sorry. Okay, let me put the stand so that she can easily stand properly. So this is the stand. I really like their stand because it has a heart shape that matches with the connection or connector. But oh, okay, let me put the flame. Okay, it's so hard to tear the plastic. Okay, so I believe this is the only chaka that is black and gray combination. And yeah, look at this. It's very simple. It looks like a surface of the moon. There is like a moon. What can you say? What do you think it is? Like a moon. I forgot. Moon. Craters. Is that right? Moon craters? I'm not sure. And she is black and white engraved. Very dull. It's like withered candle for me. Let me show you at the back part. I just really hope that the flame is light ups, right? So, what is your thought about this one? You can comment down below. So let's proceed with our fit box, our last Chaka Light Sprite figure for today. So let me unbox this one. Okay, no spoiler. I was spoiled a while ago. Oh, I don't wanna see. Okay, put it back. This one is a very small figure again. So I hope I'll get my prio. So one, two, three. Okay, another plastic foil. Oh, this one is so colorful and it has a different finish. It looks like a stone marble of the head or hair of Chaka here, and there's some gold details as a wings at the back. And this one is like an amber tail. Very nice. Let me check the inclusions and the artwork or art card. So this is Firefly. Let me put all together the inclusions, which is the stand and the flame and the stars. Maybe not the stars or light. Okay, this is the stand. It's very gold. Okay, and this is the flame. I like it. I like this one. And even the flame is like a marble stone finish. And you have to put the light or the stars here. Very nice. I like this. I like the detailed materials of this one. I like the color. It's like a firefly actually. I guess this is my faves from the tree that I unboxed for today. What can you say about this one? Please comment down below. So let's proceed with our next boxes, which is from Azura. And these are the Natural Element series. I just opened one Azura in my previous vlog, which is the Christmas. I forgot the series. Christmas like that. You can check more, visit my other videos. And I just found out this one is like a rare piece now because it's not available that much from our country, and I like the different elements of the earth or natural elements, and they have 12 confirmed figures here and one secret. And I want to get from this lineup the night. I want to get the sunshine, the cloud, the sound, I actually like them all. And I don't know why I got three only. So let's see. I hope the figure itself is so beautiful as the artwork. So let's see. I'm so excited. I just don't want to see any spoiler. Okay. Very small and very light. So one, two, three. Oh, who's this? Oops, let me remove the plastic first. I don't know who's this. Ah, oh, okay. Sorry. I moved my camera. Oh, sorry. So let's move on. So this is the plant. So we have the plant. Look guys, how beautiful and vibrant the color. Okay. I like the vibrancy of this figure. Very neon. I like the translucent tears of Azura here. And there's some like plants growing or sprouting on her hair. I like the gradient color of different shade of green here. Very nice. Maybe I'm not a fan of green, but this one looks so beautiful. What can you say about this one? Please comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with our next box. This one is a heavy figure and this one is kinda light. And I like the color combination of the box. It's very pastel. And we got the plant already. If this one is a heavy one, maybe this one is night. I want to get either of these, all of these actually. So let's see. Don't see or don't check the spoiler. It's so hard to open this one. Okay. There's so much glue. What's that? Oh, I destroyed the box. Okay. Who's this? So one, two, three. Oh, I like this one. She's like sitting in the igloo. And this is snow. Very nice. Oops. I like it. So this is the art card, snow. And let me show you the figure of Azura. She has this snowflake with the glitters as a finishing. It's like the snow is drop on her hair, and it looks like this is the headdress of Azura. And there's so much blue going on here. I like the translucent material that they used with the igloo. Very nice. She has a white wings as well, and she is wearing a ice skater. Look how beautiful this is. What can you say about this one? I should get more of this, right? Yeah. Very blue, and the other one is green. So what can you say about this? You can comment down below. Let's go with our last box for Azura. So let's see guys, we got the plant, the snow. I want to get any of these in the middle lineup. The box has so much glue, and yeah, I destroyed the box. Sorry. This one is a very small figure. Again. So one, two, three. Oh, the pink one. Who's this? Oh, I like the finishing of this one. I like the gradient pink and orange. And who's this? Let me check the. Oh, so this is sound. Okay. You didn't get the secret, but this is sound. Let me show you the art card. This one is so beautiful. She's holding a small harp, I believe, and I'm not sure what is the chair she's sitting on. And I like the finishing of the hair. It's like a gummy finish or glass. I like the silver stars as a design. I like the earwings. Very nice. Very simple one. Very pastel. Even the wings is so different from the other wings that they have. Like, look, the difference. I'm not sure. Yeah, they have different wings at the back. Very cool. What can you say about this one? And there's some like a sound wave on her feet. Look how details this one. And on her arms. There's a lot of details here. And the color of her dress is pearlescent finish. Very cool. What can you say about this? Please comment down below. So let's proceed with our last boxes from Finding Unicorns. And this is Molinta. I'm not sure if this is the newest series of Molinta. I never opened Molinta before, and I'm just starting to like the IPs of Finding Unicorn. So I decided to get two of these. I'm not sure if I'm going to like them or not. So this is the Chasing Light of Molinta. The reason why I decided to get some figures from this series because of the lights. I want figures that lights up, and most of it lights up. So they have like 9 confirmed figures, and yeah, 2 secret. I'm not sure if how many, because at 9 figures it has 11%. The other one, okay, they have 2 secret. One secret and another secret. The other secret has a 93% of getting it, and the other secret, I'm not sure if I'm right, has 0.46 of getting it. So let's see, guys. I hope I'll get a secret from these two. They have the same weight. So let's see. But from the lineup, I wanna get either of the cats and the wings or the drawer. So let's see. It still has a shrink plastic film, so I have to use a cutter to remove this. Okay. I like the box of Mulinta. There's some like what can you call about this finishing? Like a I'm not sure. I forgot the word. So let's see. There's some rainbow going on, and it's so cute. Look. So let me open now. Where should I open this one? There's no open here. Here. I'm not sure. Okay, here at the top. I'll use a cutter. Okay, that's it. Okay, who's this one? I'm excited to get or to see the Molinta figure. I don't know where's the art card. I wanna close my eyes because I don't wanna see the. Oops. Okay, let me keep first the art card. And I move my camera. Okay, so this is the foil of Molinta. Very mysterious. There's a like simplicity of black, and it looks like this is like a night sky, and this is the face of Mulinta. So let's see which one we are getting, and I'm so excited about this. One, two, three. Oh, we got the cat! Yay! I like this one, the black cat. Look, look, and there's a wire on the tail of the cat, and I like the fur. It's so soft, and I believe that this is the popcorn hair of Molinda, which where she is famous about, and it's gray. And yeah, we got the cat one. And what I like about this figure is the magnetic mass of the cat. It is magnetized. Haha! I'm so happy that I got what I like. So look, guys. You look. She is so beautiful, like a black cat. What can you say about this one? Look. Let me show you the art card of this figure. Okay. Yay. I should get more of this, right? Because I started very good. I just hope it's not a duplicate. Why it's so hard to remove the plastic of the art card? Yeah, I remember now the word of what's shimmering here. It's like there's a reflectorize, and that's the same with the art card. So this is the I don't know what's the name. Yeah. So this is the black cat. Very nice. I like the art card. Very cool. It's like a mirror or a circle frame. So what can you say about this one? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our last box. It makes me sad because I want to get or unbox more because it's getting so exciting. I like what I unboxed for today. I just hope the last box is not a duplicate. So let's see. We got the black cat. Should we get the white cat? I'm not sure. Or any of these. I like this one. The drawer, the wings, or the moonlight. This one is a very light figure, so maybe we're not getting any of the secret. So let's see. Our final figure for today's vlog. Okay. I'm going to close my eyes and remove the card because I'll tell you why. They used to stick the art card here with the plastic so you have a chance to get spoiled which figure is in here. So that's why I close my eyes and remove it and back to the box. So let's see, guys. So excited, our final figure for today. One, two, three. Oh, who's this? Look. I don't know if this one lights up or not. Okay. She looks like a witch. So we got the. Okay. Let me. We didn't get our Prio. But this one looks still cool. So this is the. Which one's this? The Galaxy. Oh, we got the Galaxy. Maybe because of the inside design of the cape, it looks like a galaxy with a gradient of blue and purple and with a lot of stars design inside of it, and even the hair or the hat of Molinta here is like there's a galaxy design, and at the top of it has these stars like a galaxy colors. Yeah, if you can see this one at the back, it's very simple. You just have to look it very closely. There's a lot of small details going on here. There's like a star. I believe if you're going to put a lights here at the back will show you like it lights up at the back like the galaxy at night. And she's holding one star here, and I like This material that they use for her skirt, it's translucent. Yeah, it's a very simple one, but still a very detailed one. And she has a gray popcorn hair as well. So what can you say about this one? Maybe not my favorite, but still, there's something going on here that I should like more. So if you have something to comment, guys, please, you can comment down below. So guys, this is my final lineup for today's vlog, and I hope you had fun watching it. If you have other favorites, or if you have a favorites from this lineup, you can comment down below. But as for me, these are my top pick favorites from this lineup. It took my breath away because how beautiful and adorable all these figures that I chose. I like the color combination and the materials that they use here, the art that they put with this figure. It's so beautiful and there's a lot of intricate details. And if you think what I chose is not the same of your favorites, you can comment down below. And as long as you like the figures and you have spark with it, just keep it, save it, and take care of them. So I hope you had fun watching my vlog, guys. And if you're still not my subscriber, please do subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. And please don't forget to like and share this video. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. And you know the drill. Do subscribe for me to reach 1,000 subscribers. So, bye!